How you doing, everybody? I hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am, because I'm out here playing with this thing, and we got our chores done. We got our concrete poured, and we're about to have our garage back. But that is not why you guys are here. So today isn't going to be terribly exciting. I have a couple things I'm going to do. The real excitement is that later tonight we're going to be going to our first truck meet. I've been to a few diesel events, truck events, but I've never been to an actual truck meet. So what we're going to be doing later is going to Eugene, which is about an hour and a half away, and we're going to be going to a truck meet. But before we do that, I have a couple things I want to do. So as you guys know, my headlights are a certain, let's say, style. So I wanted to tie that into the back of the truck. So I'm starting by putting this third brake light in. So there's two reasons I'm starting with the third brake light. The first one is it's cheaper than the main tail lights. But the actual main reason is that the third brake light I have now leaks. And I know I could go through and I could change this seal. You can get this seal. You can do some weird stuff with silicone, but I figured, you know what, why not kill two birds with one stone? We know we want this anyways. We want to go to that style. Let's just do it. And second thing isn't super exciting either, but I am sick and tired of you guys watching me hold my hood up with vice grips. So we ordered new hood struts, which should be in this box. Yeah, hood struts. So that'll be nice. These are pretty, I mean, I don't know. Hopefully they work good. They seem nice. Yeah, I hope they work good. I mean, they look like a strut. Anyway, we'll see. They should work. Let's see. Both of these things I got off Amazon. So just give you guys a heads up. There will be links in the description below where you can find these and this third brake light if you're interested in that. So when we go to put the third brake light in, you guys will see when we get up on top of the truck, but the roof needs cleaned. I'm kind of embarrassed to say I have not been too good at keeping the roof clean. So I'm going to be taking my, well, let me show you. We're going to take a little bit of time. We're going to use our synthetic clay bar, which I guess I'll put that down in the description for you too, just in case you're interested. These things are super sweet. We're going to be doing that to the roof, and we are going to put some wax on it, which is right here under the rest of this crap. Wax, roof, project. So guys, I think what we're going to do is we're going to start with the easy stuff first. Let's get these hood struts changed, and then we will move on. It's a pretty easy project actually. Let me show you guys how to do this. It's easy stuff, but I figured if you're going to watch it, you're going to watch it for something. And least I could do is show you how to do this. So that's all what I did there. Get a screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver. Get it behind that metal clip, twist, pull it out, it'll come right out. You can see this up here, get it in there, pull it out, and it releases the ball, and there you go. And to install the new one, it literally just clips on. Just clips on. Just like so. So, get our screwdriver in there, pull that out, and release the ball. Just like that. This one's got a little spunk in it. So, let's see if we can't do this here. Stay there. There. Now that's done. You guys won't have to see me use these anymore to hold the hood up. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's not put that there. Put that over here. Let's go back over here. Grab a hold of this. Oh yeah, look at that. Cool stuff. And since we have our hood up, and we want this thing to look good, we might as well wipe that down. Cool. Look at that. Look at that thing sparkle. Look at those spider webs. Okay. So now let's grab our antique super sweet screwdriver, our clay bar, our wax, our light. Grab our light. What I like to use with the clay bar is the speed wax. And a rag. So third brake light's real easy to change. You got one Phillips screw right here, one Phillips screw right here, and then just pull it off. I'm not gonna lie, I've already kind of done some messing around here with butyl trying to get this thing to seal, so I'm gonna get all that off of there. But again, super easy. Unplug your plug. Unplug your plug. Do whatever you feel necessary with this thing. To get that butyl off, it helped seal that light before, but man, oh man, it's a pain to get off. So what I had found is in the garage I had some of this wash solvent, like for sprayers, paint sprayers, your paint gun. So I used that and it ate it pretty good. So now all we have to do is put our light on. Need to plug it in. Like so. Push the wire in there. There we go. In there. Working the screws. Screws. One screw. Two screws. Just like so. See if we can't fire that thing up, see what it looks like. So what I like about this third brake light is you have basically a 8 light pod, two 4s for cargo lights, which should be brighter than factory, and then this is your brake light. So we got that on. I don't think I'm gonna get through what I want to do with the roof today. I'm kind of running out of time, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put you guys up. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up real quick, and then it'll be time to go. All right, last little picky project before we leave. I'm gonna give this thing a quick foam wash using waxedshine snow foam. Pretty good stuff. Just a generic Amazon sprayer and my little washer. So it's not hard to do. Take your bottle, take some stuff, put about a squeeze in it. About there would be enough. I don't know anymore. Probably right there. Fill the rest with water. Alright, now we can get this done so we can head out. Get the top on, done.
Well guys, it's the next morning, and I guess I can say that things didn't go as I thought they would have last night with this whole truck meet thing. I was really hoping to bring you guys some cool stuff from it and some video. I got there a little late, wasn't there probably 20 minutes, and then basically everybody left. It's kind of a quick thing, but I thought about just shit canning a video, because everything we did yesterday wasn't necessarily for that, but had that in mind. But I figured I would show you guys, or still do this, because not everything's going to be perfect. Not everything's going to work out. And I want to be as transparent as possible with these videos with you guys, because things happen, right? So I'm gonna end it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I have some more stuff coming this week, well, probably in the next couple weeks, that I'm pretty excited about. Different things to show you guys, and I hope you guys stick around for that. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching this video if you have, and subscribe if you haven't. Everything we used prior, though, I will put in Amazon links in the description. Most of these videos you see, I do my best to give you guys links to that stuff. And I think there's one thing we're going to have to do, that third brake light. After putting it in, I remembered a lot of people had problems with those LED style. That the little the cargo light section, the LED section, I didn't even put any thought about it, but they stay kind of lit up. But we're gonna have to do some looking at that, maybe fix that. But regardless, if you guys liked it, subscribe, like the video, let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.